Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about how to find current OS in Python. First go to open the Python terminal. There are different possible ways to find the current OS in Python. First of all we have to import the platform module. Let me type import platform. Import platform, then type platform.system. It prints Linux. Okay, and also if you want to see the details about the OS, then type platform. It prints the details about the OS. Okay, the second one is we have to import the sys module. Let me type import sys, then type sys.platform. It prints Linux 2. Okay, and the third one is we have to import the OS module. Import OS, then type os.name. It prints POSIX. POSIX stands for Portable Operating System Interface for Unix. And all Unix based operating systems like Ubuntu, Debian, etc. support to these interfaces. In these ways we can find the current OS in Python. Okay, hope you guys get how to find the current OS in Python. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.